Alright, this might be one of the most interesting camera unboxings I've done so far. This is the brand new Insta360 Luna Ultra, and honestly I've been waiting to get my hands on this one for a while. What's going on everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're unboxing the Insta360 Luna Ultra. Insta360's new compact dual lens 8K vlogging camera. If you've seen Insta360's previous cameras, you'll know that they usually focus on 360 capture and action footage, but this one is a bit different, more of a hybrid vlogging and pro content tool. I'm going to go through everything in the box, first impressions, build quality and what you actually get for your money. Right, let's get this opened up. Straight away the packaging feels clean, very minimal, very Insta360. So inside we've got the Insta360 Luna Ultra camera itself. Just put that to one side for a second. And let's have a look what you get in the box. We've got the stand, and here you've just got all the standard documentation. Okay, so the USB-C charging cable. Something to attach to the camera and wrap around your wrist. Suppose it saves you dropping it. Not sure what this is. I'll have to check that out. Okay, so let's get into the stand. Okay, you can see on the back that you can plug in a USB-C. And if you just pull out these little feet, that clips onto the camera. The feet are not very easy to get out. The feet seem a bit flimsy, so let's hope it holds the camera upright. Okay, put that to one side for a second. Okay, so let's get to the camera. And I really do like the protective case. And the case is really easy to open and close, just at the touch of that little button. And as you can see inside the case, there's some space to be able to store filters, should you need to. So that's really handy. And here's the main event, the camera itself. On the side, that's where you put your micro SD card. It feels really good quality. There's a USB-C port on the bottom. And here are the main controls on the front. Okay, so let's rip off the tab. Very satisfying. And just flip. And she's on. Design wise it feels very premium, a mix between a pro camera and something really creator focused. You've got this modular feel to it, with the screen control system and the dual lens setup on the front. What I like about it straight away is how compact it is, despite everything going on inside it. I can already tell this is aimed at people who want high-end video without carrying a full camera rig. So what is this actually designed for? This is clearly built for vloggers, travel creators and anyone who wants cinematic looking footage without going full DSLR or mirrorless. Between the dual lenses, 8K capability and AI tracking features, this is going to be an all-in-one creator camera. But the real question is, how does it actually perform in real use? That's what I'll be testing next and using it to create my future content on this channel, so check out my following videos to see what the footage looks like. The dual lens setup is obviously the standout here. This is what makes the Luna Ultra different from your typical pocket vlogging camera. Okay, so let's take the front off. Another great feature. Detaches from the main camera, so you can use this as a remote control to move the camera about if you've got it away from you. And it's also got a built-in microphone at the top, another great feature, so you don't need a separate mic if you haven't got one. This feature is really innovative, and I think it's really going to score highly with a lot of content creators. And perhaps this will be the main reason they actually purchase this camera. Feels very sturdy, nice weight to it, not too heavy. Okay, so let's try the stand. Just clips into the bottom nice and easily. Again, this feels sturdy, feels good quality. And you can set the camera down quite easily. It is a little bit wobbly. Yeah, I'm really pleased with this camera. First impressions are really good. Okay, so there's not tons of accessories with this at launch, but what I have picked up is an SD card, a micro SD card. It's always best to get a name brand card. I've gone for Samsung, as you can see, and it just fits into the side look just here. So once I start using the camera, I'll get that inserted. The camera does come with onboard storage, 47GB, but I think I'm going to need a little bit more to get me started, so I've picked up the 128GB. And also, I've picked up a carry case. Again, this was just advertised on Amazon, and it said that it would suit pocket cameras. And I think it's been marketed for a lot of the DJI pocket cameras, so I thought with this camera, it's similar in size, so I thought I'd get it and check it out. I'm going to need something to protect this camera. I'll leave a link in the description in case you want this. It's really sturdy, waterproof. I think this will take a few knocks and your camera and contents will be absolutely fine. So at the top, if you just pull off these tabs, which are quite good for holding the top on, you're able to put SD cards and things in the top bit, and maybe your lenses if you want to, and just fasten that back up. And it's all soft material inside as well, so it's not going to damage anything. And then on the bottom bit, these are Velcro sections, so you can move them about depending on the size of the items in there. So yeah, the camera fits in without its protective case on. And as you can see, with the protective case on, it fits perfectly. So yeah, another purchase which I'm really pleased with. So here's a montage and a few shots of the Insta360 Luna Ultra, so enjoy. So that's the unboxing of the Insta360 Luna. Drop a comment if you have any questions or if you're thinking about picking one up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.